Okay, let's come over and look at CL next. Now, I'm just going to do the 15-minute chart initially. Off the low here the other day, which I think is this 4 in, I've got a leading diagonal up into yesterday's high, an A back, B up. I'm looking for this C of a 2 down. So I'm looking for 73.91 to 73.59 to hold this, then to take out yesterday's high here at 75.28. So this is setting up a swing long entry or add if you're already long down in the target box here. And just to show you the day trading chart, I put this out this morning and I put the arrows on it, okay? And it was a straight follow on from where we were yesterday. We were around here this morning when I put this out, took out the upper blue line, came and hit the 764 retrace fib right inside the box, follow the arrows. I'm hoping that you're all short CL with half off and lots in the bank and looking for more. You know, it was picture perfect according to the game plan that we've been following. So looking for this move down into this box next, then up again in CL. And all of that fits into this larger degree pattern on the 4-hour chart. So that's the 4, there's the leading diagonal up. After the 2 back, I'm looking for a move to here, this 618 fib at 78.93 minimum. If I'm off by a fractal here, and this 3 is the one that's in here, then we should push straight up to 82 next in CL. And we should not take out this low again at any point now until we get to the top. So if you've got a swing position in place, or you take one this morning and this starts to follow through, you can put your stop at 73.35 and you can sit there all the way up into the high 80s, low 90s in CL. Okay, let's come over and look at NG next. So NG, we got this spike and reversal yesterday. We did count 5 down to here, but it is as a diagonal. We're just taking out the 886 back now. If we take out the top again, follow the commentary that Brian has put in the forum and in here the last 2 days, and the chart he's following. He's expecting a pop up and then a very, very swift drop down. That would be the expectation if we take out yesterday's high in NG. Otherwise, it needs to reverse right here. And in either case, we need to take out 32.37 as a minimum next, followed by 31.09 after that to confirm we've got a top in place in NG. And as you can see, here's the micro pattern. It took this box out, it gave you a short trade this morning from there, and you will have got stopped out on the second half. Okay,